What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekdays with Whistol. It's Hayden here, and here in Perth it was quite wet yesterday, so we had a number of jobs cancelled. If actually all our jobs were cancelled yesterday, and rescheduled for either today, next week, and some even tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to be doing a few lawn mowing jobs, because yesterday was too wet for lawn mowing, and we'll see how we go. So we'll load the trailer and go on heading out, So we've got some stuff from last week for the soak wells, which we're going to take off because we don't need them for today. As I said, we've got a few lawn mowing jobs, I should say, and a garden maintenance job, and also possibly a tree job as well. We've taken the slab and everything off, so now we're going to load up the trailer and get heading out. Stopping for lunch at the moment. Couldn't get much footage this morning because of being with customers all the time and talking to them and asking them about their properties and whatnot. As for our setup on the road, we pretty much don't have a single setup that we use, because each day has different jobs and things like that. But we've pretty much got on the back, we've got our cans, petrol and two-stroke. We've got our vac here, a blower, and then we generally have our 3 trimmers just so we can grab and go. As for our trailer, we've just got a 6x4 trailer, and we just usually have one of our mowers ocky strapped. As you can see, it's ocky strapped so it doesn't blow around heaps. And we usually have our bins and stuff for clippings, and obviously our toolbox is all the other stuff, like all our oil sprays, trimmer line and all that. After lunch we've got a bigger job, so we're going to have to take the actual lawnmower off and the bin, and we're going to be putting our ride on the back and our ramps, and also we need to grab our chainsaw for the tree job later on this arvo as well. So this morning we had one job cancelled, and as well as that we had one job where the lawn didn't really need mowing. So, but instead of just driving off and saying that it didn't need doing, we upsold our services and we sprayed their lawn instead for weeds. So effectively we weren't out of pocket and we didn't drive there for nothing. So it worked out alright, but now we're going to have lunch and then we'll head off after. So let's do it. Quick tip for ramps: if you're ever using ramps, like individual 2 ramps together, get a mower on, this makes sure that they're kept in place. So it doesn't move around. All loaded up, so let's get to it. Now we've just got to take them all and head on to the last job. So now we're on to our last job. Cleared off the trailer for the tree. We don't need the wraps, I'm just going to take these off. On to the last job. Folks, we've got the tree in the back, as you can see, if you can see it there. There. Anyways, today was another good day, and thanks for watching today's episode. If you're still watching, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more episodes, as well as reviews and all that sort of stuff. Thanks guys, hope you have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.